Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of columnist. A journalist contributing regularly to a newspaper or magazine. For example, I'm going to become a teen magazine advice columnist. American pronunciation. Columnist. Columnist. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Columnist. Say. Columnist. Columnist means journalist contributing regularly to newspaper or magazine. Columnist. Columnist. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. I'm going to become a teen magazine advice columnist. Now, repeat after me. I'm going to become a teen magazine advice columnist. The second practice. You shouldn't trust what those gossip columnists write, she chided. Now, repeat after me. You shouldn't trust what those gossip columnists write, she chided.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.